Hi guys, this video is the fifth of the series of Listen to the Most Expensive Radio. We use a dedicated monitoring receiver to demodulate and listen to the FM radio signals in the air. This monitoring receiver was specially designed for signal search, radio spectrum monitoring, signal identification, and geolocation in real time. It features a comprehensive frequency coverage up to 67 GHz. The 160 MHz, 1 GHz, and 2 GHz analysis bandwidths helps detect the transient signals in rigid applications such as radar, electromagnetic countermeasure, high-speed communication, and so on. All the input and output ports are set to the rear panel. There are totally 4 RF inputs to cover up to 67 GHz using separate hardware channels. Only one antenna is connected to RF input 2 now. And these optical interfaces and auxiliary ports help achieve high IQ data transfer to the data recorder. The receiver supports 4 scan modes, including FM, P-scan, F-scan, and M-scan. We can listen to the radio in FFM, the fixed frequency mode. We set the center frequency to 100 MHz, set the span to 20 MHz. You can see there are many FM radio channels from 19 MHz to 110 GHz. The current demodulation bandwidth is set to 150 kHz, the blue rectangular area. I tried to drag the curve to make the signal peak to the blue area, but the span is a little too big. It's hard for me to make it successfully. We can use 2 fingers to zoom in and decrease the span, then drag the peak to the blue area. Touch the speak button and switch on the voice, and we can listen to the radio now. Again, we can change to another channel. Another channel. The current channel is 95.2 MHz. We can also drag the blue demodulation frequency area to another peak. To another channel. To another. The voice is not clear because the current 150 kHz demodulation bandwidth is too small. We increase the bandwidth to 300 kHz. And then we get a higher quality better voice. Okay. Listen to the radio is a very basic function for high-performance, expensive monitoring receiver. We can check other complicated functions later. That's all for today's test. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and see you next time. Bye.